Hey guys, so where I am right now, there's an airplane flying above us. Okay, so kind of an update for you guys. We moved here Thursday. It's Wednesday, so tomorrow will be a week, which feels like longer. It feels like we've been here longer, to be honest. I can't believe it's only a week, but so far so good. We have like a room kind of set up. So we made an IKEA. We went to IKEA and we bought a dresser and a bookshelf because I needed storage. So we built the dresser and we built the bookshelf. Now it's pretty good, like we have furniture that will, get us by. And then we needed lamps. We still need lamps. It's so dark in our room. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that because I cannot film in there. Like you can't even see what I'm trying to show you on the tour. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But we bought a Goodwill lamp for $8. And then we painted the base of it white. It was black originally. And then the wood matches all like the furniture fixings that are already in our room, so that worked out good. Unfortunately, like we can't settle on a lampshade right now, so we just put like a cool fancy bulb in there. And it works like for nighttime, but like during the day it's still really dark in there, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Yes. So that is kind of the update. That's what's been going on so far. My brother is getting married on Saturday. That's all I got going on, just taking care of stuff around the house. Buying lots of stuff that we didn't needed or didn't have. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna pop in footage of the house tour right now. Hey guys, so this is gonna be the official house tour 2018. Like I said in the last vlog, if you haven't watched that, but when we got here finally after 8 hours of driving, my camera battery died, so I didn't vlog anything about actually getting here. So that's why I'm doing this now. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so this is the front door entryway area, and I'm gonna flip you back. So you walk in and there's this little room, and then our roommate's bathroom in their room is that way, which we will not be showing you. This is the garage. And then you walk to the left and you get a bunch of stairs, and that's kind of the upstairs area. So let's show you that right now. Okay, so the upstairs, you have your toilet paper. We have a desk here, temporary setup. This is our little balcony area, which is super cute. And then a fireplace, TV. I'm out of breath. So we don't have like furniture yet, so there's nothing here. And then you come this way, and this is the kitchen. The island stove, which doesn't really make sense because it's like, I'm still out of breath. Because if you like make stuff right here, it can like fall over and splatter onto carpet. So I don't know the setup of that, but that's how that goes. And then we have the fridge, and then some cabinets and all that stuff. We have dishes all. So that is the kitchen. And then you come down this hallway and we have a storage closet, which is cool. All my towels and blankets. Then we have our bathroom, which we tried to set up to look very nice. Yeah, the lighting in these is like super yellow, so I don't like that lighting for like vlogs, but it's gonna have to do for now until maybe we can change that. I don't know. But anyways, you come in and then there's a doorway to our room, so you can either go out this way or you can go out this way. And yeah, this is our bedroom. Getting a bed today, which is Wednesday, the 5th, I believe. So our bed should be coming today. We've been sleeping on this air mattress for 4 days now, 5 days, I don't know, since we got here on Thursday. It's been terrible. No, but it's been okay. It kind of sucks, but whatever. And then we got this cool light and mirror that we bought for $5. And then our closet is right here. And then these are the shelves that we made and the dresser that we made from IKEA. Oh yeah. It's pretty dimly lit in this house except for this area. So that kind of sucks, but hopefully we can get some new lights or maybe just some more lights to brighten up everything. I don't really know where I'm gonna film. Probably in the living room at some point, I don't know. But yeah, that's it for now. So yeah, sorry if some of the footage was a little dark. Like, it's honestly really dark in this house. That's gonna be it for this vlog. Let you guys know if you like me filming vlogs. I'm trying to do them on Thursdays and then like my regular fashion videos on Sundays. But let me know if you guys like that. Or yeah, that's gonna be it for now. So I will see you Sunday or Thursday, whenever this goes up. All right, bye.